What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and today in this episode I have the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 SE wireless earbuds. So you know what we got to do, right? We gotta pop this box open, we gotta test out the audio, we gotta test out the mic, we gotta do a little head shake action and put it all together. Boom! Into one package. So let's get this started now. Blah! All right, guys. So it says on the back that this has SBC and AAC codecs. It is Bluetooth 5.0. Looks like it gives you 5 hours of playback time and then an additional 15 hours with the case for a total of 20 hours of playback time. These are USB-C. The total weight is looking at 48 grams. Let's just get into the box. We'll figure it out, won't we? All right, that's it in there. It's kind of cool. Shows you everything right on display. You have your USB-C to A cable, which rolled out the bottom. You have get started guides. Feels like a cheaper plastic, but that's okay. USB Type-C. I want to let you guys know up front that my friends over at gearbest.com went ahead and sent these to me for free to check out. Pop these in like so. This actually feels pretty decent now that the headphones are in. I was thinking that it was a little light, but the size of the case is good. Let's see. It feels actually really nice in my pocket. While I'm pairing these up, I want to tell you guys, you could pick these up on gearbest.com for about 30 bucks. So they are pretty reasonably priced. All right, there they are. That was actually pretty easy to pair. You just had to open up the case and they automatically went into pairing mode. Cool, they even have a charge. I like it. I like it a lot. Definitely helps me out. I don't think these are coming out. They sit in my ears pretty nice. That's cool. Let's start with the audio test. Might as well get that one out of the way pretty quick. And let's see how they sound. Here we go. Highs are good. Okay. Bass is decent. Kind of on par for its price point. I'm probably yelling. I gotta say that my personal favorite type of earbud is the ones that just kind of sit in your ears. They're on the outside. They don't actually sit inside. They're super comfortable. I could tell by the form factor and the shape of these, they are going to be very comfortable for long-term use. So that's a plus, right? Because my ears are kind of sensitive and I get a lot of ear pains with some earbuds, even ones that sit on the outside of the ear, but I can tell right away, these are very, very comfortable and very well designed. The highs are very clean and crisp. The mids are also good and clear. The bass is decent. I wouldn't say it would rattle my brain, but it's good. For 30 bucks, these are a solid investment, especially if you don't have a lot of money to spend on some earbuds. With that said, let's hop in to the mic test. Let's get that started now. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 SEs. Let's go ahead, start that ambient noise. Is it able to block it out? Let me know, because now this is the sound of my voice with the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 SEs with ambient noise running in the background. So, what do you guys think? I think that as long as the mic test comes out clear, this is definitely a buy for a decent pair of wireless Bluetooth earphones in that sub-price category, that $30 or less. I don't think you can go wrong with these. I think they sound decent. Again, as long as that mic test comes out good, I say buy them. All right, guys, if you like this video, I was able to help you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.